To solve the following plugins have failed error in Adobe After Effects 2025. Start by understanding the nature of the problem. This error typically occurs when After Effects encounters a plugin that it cannot load or initialize properly. First, launch Adobe After Effects 2025 and navigate to the Preferences menu. From here, select the Plugins option and take note of the plugins that are currently loaded. Next, try disabling each plugin one by one and relaunching After Effects to identify which plugin is causing the issue. You can do this by renaming the plugin file or moving it to a different directory. If you are unable to identify the problematic plugin, try resetting the After Effects preferences to their default settings. This can be done by holding the Ctrl and Alt keys while launching the program. Additionally, ensure that your plugins are up to date, as outdated plugins can cause compatibility issues. Check the plugin manufacturer's website for updates and follow their instructions for installation. Another solution is to reinstall the problematic plugin or replace it with an alternative. You can also try reinstalling After Effects itself if the issue persists. To prevent this error from occurring in the future, make sure to regularly update your plugins and After Effects software. It is also a good practice to test new plugins in a separate project before using them in a critical workflow. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the plugins have failed error in Adobe After Effects 2025 and get back to working on your projects efficiently. Remember to always keep your software and plugins up to date to minimize the risk of encountering this error.